How'd it run?
Ooh, it was fast.
It scared everybody, right?
Yeah, everybody was getting out of your way, that's for sure.
So it's got floor pans in it now. We gotta get these the plates.
Yep. Because you're gonna have to use that stuff that you get in
The epoxy sealer.
Yep.
New pans. Under this, I mean, the seat's got to come back out of it, but
yeah,
yeah,
he didn't split them.
under the seat.
And the bull holes line right up.
Yeah, I didn't have to mess with the seat or nothing.
See?
Ooh,
Right, they look good on that.
factory.
And then, like I said, he talked to a couple different guys about your roll bar because he was going to have that done while it was there.
Everybody's too busy.
But it was nice of him to do that.
Yeah, that was cool. So we talked about putting a roll bar in the car up following the door post and coming across, but the problem is it does need to be custom because all the kits sit about here and I don't want to be able to see them when you're going down the road. Awesome. All right, now we just got a ton of work putting it all back together.
Yep.
All this wee stuff when you coming back over.
You're all done with it.
to do a burnout with it with a V8 in it. That's when you're coming back. All right, guys, as you can see, it is cold and raining here today. For it being almost June, it should be way warmer than it is out right now, and I'm having a hard time getting motivated to start working on the Nova today. So what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna head over to our buddy's Adam's house. He just picked up a new project car, and we're gonna go check that out. So let's go. What do you got going on today?
Input shaft seal on the trans on the boat popped out yesterday. So
Perfect.
pulled that out, glued it in this time. I replaced it, but it was like an updated seal. So just trying to clean up in here a little bit. It's kind of a fucking mess.
Wow. This thing's awesome.
It's
This thing's really cool.
When I first looked at it, I was like, that's pretty rough. And now that I got it and been working on it, I'm like, this thing is badass.
This thing's really cool. The pictures don't do it any justice, like at all.
See, you face backwards.
Nice.
There's one on this side, one on that side. You sit backwards.
The velocity stack is really what makes it.
Yeah, yesterday I had it running quite a while till the trans started leaking. So, but the motor runs good so far.
Where was the trans leaking at?
The input shaft
Okay.
seal, which I replaced it when I had the motor out, but I don't know if the vent seemed like it was plugged too, so.
Is this the motor that was in it when you got it, or did you put this in it?
Nah, the motor that was in it's out on the bench. It's cracked.
The block is cracked?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, so you guys got to see where this block cracked, the one that came with the Vette. So somebody tried to JB weld repair the crack on this side. Nice. you've also got some on this side. I don't know if you can see it in the rain. But anyway, this thing's took. Off complete, or is it ripped at all or anything?
Scott, let me see if I can get the car down. I'll move some more shit.
Oh, I missed the sticker. That's awesome. I would leave it. I wouldn't touch any of it. Real Barnfind.
Yeah.
It's got the original barn dust on it still. So what were they doing with it? Why'd he park it in 68 and just let it sit for it and like kind of take it apart? But
it was a running driving car. He had the front end put on it, and he had this tail pan put on for the recessed license plate.
So he just like started building a custom and then abandoned it?
Mm-hmm. The guy that built the boat made the mold for the front end.
The guy that built that boat?
Made the mold for the front end, so I kind of wanted the boat too with the car. I'm trying to get the mold from him, so if I ever wanted to make another front end, I could.
Where did you find this thing at? Like, where did it actually come? What town?
Lambertville.
Oh, okay, so it was close. and more parts that came with the Vette. All the interior, hardtop, seat frames. So Adam's plan is to just clean this stuff up and really just put it all back together to match the style of the car. He doesn't plan on restoring the car. He just plans on driving the daylights out of it, just like it is, with in all its natural beauty. So it's gonna be a cool ripper. Have you had this set out at all?
Yeah, that thing my dad drives all the time.
Does he?
Yeah.
He likes it?
Every day, yeah.
Well, cruise is so nice now that it's like...
I had to go with Corvette out. That thing runs a lot nicer when you got a car that's like a sports car with the shifter's right there. Like my black coupe, I wish it was an automatic. It's just not that comfortable.
Amazing. Just when you said you finally had everything running, now you got this. That was like a month ago. Oh, I'm so happy. I finally got everything running. Enter Corvette. Oh, it's so cool though. Well, thanks for letting me come over and check out all your stuff.
Oh, you're welcome anytime.
I'll come back when you're ready to do a burnout in the Vette, and when you're ready to dump this thing in the water.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Alright guys, so we just got back from Adam's house. That's actually going to be it for this video, but I just wanted to give you an update on what's coming for the Nova. So, now that the floor pans are installed, we're going to do some sort of sealant for the underside of the car as well as the interior, whether that be a Pour 15 treatment or an undercoating. I'm not exactly positive what I'm going to do with it yet, but next time you'll see us working on that. And then we have sound deadener that we can install in here, carpet that we can install in here, the seats. This seat's going to have to come out of it so we can treat the floors. But once the floors are treated, we can put the seats back in it, front and rear seat, and really start diving into the stuff we want to work on this car. The suspension, brakes, engine swap. It's all coming. It's all going to happen soon. And now that the floor pans are in, this project can really start moving along. So that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for tuning in. See you later.